quality, safety, secure. Unboxing, including the package, is a user manual. Expansion inserts with screws. And the grab bar. Here we have the tools list. So you got the drill, screwdriver, several other items. Step 1, measure installation height and width. Step 2, mark holes. Mark 4 holes with non-permanent markers. Step 3, punch holes. Punch holes in the marked position with 8mm drills. Step 4, hammer inserts. Hammer the yellow expansion inserts. Step 5, add screws. Align the hole with the product and tighten screws. Grab bar has a foldable design. It also has antimicrobial nylon. It includes the bottom skid resistance. Bar folds to 90 degrees vertically and 180 degree horizontally, and it could handle up to 300 kg loading. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe.